Hey everyone, this is Hannah with the Rocket Miner, giving you another news update. Happy New Year! It's the first video I've made in the new year, so just wanted to say welcome officially to 2021. And again, just express my appreciation for everyone's support and looking forward to giving you more news and updates through the year. Today I wanted to start with the COVID-19 numbers for Wyoming. Today we're up to 38,954 confirmed cases and 6,615 probable cases. Today also our active cases are back up over 1,500. They had been below it for a while, but today we're at 1,542 active cases, and that's an increase of 153 since yesterday. Today, unfortunately, the Wyoming Department of Health also confirmed an additional 26 deaths related to COVID-19 throughout the state. That does bring Wyoming's death total to 464. In the 26 deaths that were confirmed today, there were 3 Sweetwater County men who died that were included in that total, and 2 of them were from a local long-term care facility. So that's the update on the numbers. We also received an update yesterday from Sweetwater County Public Health with a little more information about where we're at locally with the vaccine for COVID-19. So yesterday they explained that the COVID-19 vaccination prioritization schedule is now moving into phase 1B of the plan that is outlined by the Wyoming Department of Health. They explained that everyone in the phase 1A category who wants the vaccine should have received it by the end of this week. So now Public Health is working together with Memorial Hospital of Sweetwater County on their plans to vaccinate those who are listed in the categories that are in phase 1B. However, they did say that the number of COVID-19 vaccinations is limited at this time, so it will be slower in getting those out to everybody. Public Health Director Kim Leinberger said, "There are not enough doses available in Sweetwater County to administer to everyone in the 1B group. There are way more people than what we have vaccine for. Not everyone will get the vaccine this week or even next week. There is a process, there is not a waiting list." So she explained that they are doing their best to get the vaccine out as quickly as possible and to go through those groups in the categories of the priority of who gets it first. But just because of limited resources, it won't be right away, and they're working through the plan to get it to the people who are in line to get it next. So the vaccine goes out to the different groups, different categories. The phase 1A category, which is the one that they're finishing getting vaccinated now, included people who have the potential to be regularly exposed to COVID-19 patients, specifically healthcare workers, people in hospitals, and things like that. The 1A group also included groups like law enforcement and residents and staff of long-term care facilities. So those are the ones who have been getting the vaccine already, who they're finishing up getting the vaccine for. And then they're moving on to the phase 1B category, and that includes persons 70 years of age or older and frontline essential workers who must interact with the public and are unable to consistently physically distance from others. So that group includes, as I said, people over 70 who are in that high risk category because of their age, and then also essential workers, which includes groups like teachers, grocery store workers, and things like that. There are more specifics from the Wyoming Department of Health about exactly who falls into that category, but that's the general concept for who will be getting the vaccine next. Today, the other news just comes from the Sweetwater County Commission. They had their meeting this morning, and one of the main things during that meeting was that commissioners approved a liquor license for the new Love's Travel Stop that is going to be opening up west of Green River, and that is expected to open on January 20th. Also today, the commissioners welcomed Mary Tolman to the board. She was elected as commissioner during the 2020 general election and welcomed during her first meeting as a new board member today. Connected to that, the Rock Springs and Green River City Councils are also going to be welcoming new members during their meetings tonight. Larry Hickerson and Brent Botolo are new members on the Rock Springs City Council, and then Sherry Bushman and George Jost are joining the Green River City Council. So congratulations to all of those new members of the commissioners and councils, and they're having their first meetings now as they go forward in that new position into this new year. So those are the main updates that I had for you today. Just keep checking back with us, of course, for more news and updates, and I hope everyone has a good night.